everybody, it's Julia from Darn Good Yarn, and today I'm going to show you how to properly weave in your ends on a knit piece that has a wrong side. So this, as you can see, is a sweater, and we are going to be using the wrong side, so the purl bumps, to weave these in so you won't see it at all on the right side of it. So first you're going to thread your needle. So these bumps here, they sit on the back of the stockinette side. So if you just go in through these and not through the whole piece, you won't see it on the front. So that is what we're going to do. So you're going to take your needle and we're going to go up diagonally through a couple here. So just staying on the purl bumps. Pull that through. There we go. And then we're going to do the same thing going downwards. And then going up diagonally again. You can even go through 3. We're trying to make it stick here so it won't come out. And then go down. And now we're going to go back the other way towards where we came from. So up. And then back down. We're just trying to make sure this definitely stays put. Then once you think you got it all set, you can trim your ends. And as you can see, you can't really see it here. I don't know if I did the best job of making sure that you can't see it because it doesn't matter. You're not going to see this on my piece. But if you were going to be seeing the wrong side in your piece, you can do those a little bit closer together. Trim that off. And then I'll do the other one as well. So threading the needle. And then we'll go the opposite way for this one. So we'll go towards the right. And then diagonally downwards. So you're kind of making like a zigzag and then a little diamond where you end. And then we'll go back the other way. Get through a couple more. And once you think that's all set, you can cut your yarn. And then on the other side, you can't even tell. So this is how you can weave in your ends without seeing them on the right side. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe.